Hi, Greg Buckley here from Buckley's Auto Care, and today we want to talk about sanitation. That's right, sanitation with your vehicle. All right, we all know that germs can invade us in many ways, and we are surrounded by germs everywhere we go. And today there's an emphasis on, of course, COVID-19. Here at Buckley's, we have a solution that helps people stay germ-free as much as possible for your car. After the initial service with the sanitation process and the coating, we recommend a yearly update. Now, the coating lasts for up to 3 years on all surfaces with the exception of your seat. Friction will remove the surface. So within 3 years, we recommend a new coating. Every year, we recommend a sanitation. Typically during AC season, when you are windows up, a cabin air, and you're breathing in air that's either recycled or it's fresh coming in. In either scenario, a sanitation process and service is really recommended. It's important to understand how your health is affected by the interior of your vehicle. Materials made today are full of either petrochemicals or materials that can affect the breathing of you and your passengers. Keeping it clean is a responsibility for everybody. And as a service provider, we want to be able to help you with that. Now, we can't keep it vacuumed clean all the time. That's a responsibility for the owner and the driver. However, wiping it down, sanitizing it once a year will help you prevent other allergens, germs, and dust from accumulating to the point where you do have issues with breathing. Finally, as your professional service provider, we want to make sure that we keep your vehicle running safe and sound while on the road. More importantly, we want to be able to help you keep your car healthy as well. Your ventilation system is the primary carrier of germs, dust, pollen every season while you're driving down the road. We can take care of that for you by using the PermaSafe solution and our PermaSafe service. So it's important to understand that our role as technicians can help you drive safe, drive smart, but drive healthy as well. See us today for your PermaSafe solution and your PermaSafe service. Reasonably priced, permanent in nature, and once a year sanitation will help you keep a healthy car for not only you, but your passengers as well. Thank you very much. Hope to see you soon. Give us a call today. Thank you.